before we send the underwriting, let's take a couple of minutes and just dial in our numbers because we're 7 months into it now. Let's just take a minute to refresh the numbers.
Okay.
Okay, let me share screen real quick. All right, so 0 reno. I was skeptical, but that seems like an accurate thing. How much did we spend for lender fees? I don't think we spent any money for lender fees, or at least a lot less than we thought.
Let me pull up that HUD one.
We might not need another 50 grand.
All right, loan
managing this pretty well.
All right, so we had a loan documentation fee of $11,000, and then an appraisal review fee and a loan origination fee of $500. So we can call it $12,000 towards lender fees.
Okay, so I'm just going to change that to 1.
Yeah.
We clearly don't need a lot in reserves. I'm going to change it to 2%. I don't like having nothing in that.
People move out, there'll be something, right? You might have
there will be. I think that's.
You might have a bathroom to fix something, or.
So should I keep it back at 77
for now?
Yeah, when people move out, there'll be some sort of refresh and reno that will need to happen.
Equals that.
Even the best tenants will make scuffs and things in walls or toggle bolts, or there might be a broken
$600 per unit. Yeah. Okay, I'll leave that there then.
Yeah, cabinet hardware.
Yep.
We're actually cash flow positive, so generally in our transactions we keep the interest reserves. We've got $80,000 that are probably not going to get spent yet.
Yeah, I mean, at least for now. Once the building starts vacating, we'll start spending some of that.
Okay.
And that's when we're against, race against time at that point. So all these delays.
Yeah, rates against time. And yeah, I think if you have a $15,000 a month payment, that's about 3 months. If you raise that extra $50,000, it's about 3 more months of runway.
Yeah.
Yeah. And our monthly payment is $7,000. It's less.
That's it?
Yeah.
7?
Yeah.
It's like
they got
$7,000
a good rate on this deal.
Well,
So
good
John,
rate, plus they're not doing the reno budget. That's what makes ours go up so fast, is every time we do a draw, our payment goes up.
Yeah, it does. John, so what is our...
Well, that's cool. That's great.
What's our estimated sales data as far as when you figure all these units should be sold based on your underwriting?
Let me just go through this for a second, and then I can answer that. Is this our property taxes? I think that is.
Yeah, I haven't gotten any updated. Actually, now that you mention it, in July, we should have had an updated bill in case it changed, but I haven't seen it. And the good news is that because we bought the LLC, there was no transaction recorded from the perspective of the county, so it might have stayed close to the same.
Nice. Okay. Utilities is that number accurate?
Let me jump into the appfolio just to get so we had here from, it is bigger. It's 13,162 is what I have in our condo budget, which is taking into account water and sewage, garbage, and electricity. So let's put a bigger number there, 13,000, you can call it. And that's just what I pulled from the last year's budget. I'm sorry, I do have to jump off. This is
Can you come back?
I'll do my best to be back as soon as possible.
Okay, cool. Because he was saying insurance is a lot more than I have. Yeah, I've got a little concern about the insurance. We went way low on insurance.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're way low on insurance. Condoization, I think we're okay. I don't even know who's doing our bookkeeping.
Oh, I don't either. Yeah, I know he was looking at a couple different people, and I thought that was somewhat resolved, but I'm not sure.
I think we got survey nailed. I'm happy by that. Oh, we just had that. I just changed that. That was $2,000 earlier, so we saved money here. I don't know. Have we got the reserve study yet?
He's what he's working on with his attorney.
Okay. He mentioned this $12,000 bond.
It appears that's going to be taken care of pretty easily, what it sounds like.
It's not in the spreadsheet, and I'm going to probably start redoing the spreadsheet, and I want to have a place for these miscellaneous things.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, that's not in here. Now that we've kind of dialed in our business model pretty carefully now, I want to start making some changes to it. I'll bet you we're going to be way high on that. I'll bet you that becomes a much smaller number.
Which one?
The HOA.
Oh yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of worried about the HOA. HOA gets paid by tenants, but we have only 4 tenants at campus, so HOA is going to cannibalize itself once we kick those guys into full effect.
Yeah.
I don't know when the right time to do the pass off is, but I feel like we need to do that pass off and
So
have them start managing tenants, and because they're getting the payments, but they're just recording those. Right now, I don't think they're doing anything else. Having them pay the bills and everything else, they're going to start sending me a demand for.
Are you talking about campus and
Yes, and dynamite management. Yeah.
they should be paying all of that stuff right now.
Okay, so I need to pass off all the bills to them.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
just didn't. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I will start handing those over to them then.
Yeah. They should be paying all that.
I thought the fees would go up when that happened, and I'm trying to not.
No.
I'm trying to not have any fees from them right now.
No, they're just your standard, whatever Mary Lee does, they're going to do.
Okay. All right. I'll get everything caught up and passed off to them.
Yeah.